So today we have a Nykaa haul. I have some skincare products, I have some exciting makeup products with me. So I am going to try them for you in today's video and I'm going to show you guys what I actually purchased. I always spend my time on the Nykaa new arrival section. I just don't want to make a content out of it. I genuinely want to use the product as well. So yeah, today I have few products like that and I'm really excited for today's video. So let's get started. I have this cotton pad set with me. This is from this brand called Tulips and this is a very useful and a good brand at the same time, because these are not like your regular cotton pads. They are very like good quality and they are very affordable at the same time. I purchased these cotton pads from this brand called Tulips and they help me a lot because I use toners and also micellar water to clean my face. So yeah. So this is a face wash from Innisfree and this is their volcanic pore BHA cleansing foam. Now why I purchased this particular face wash, because you guys know I think almost every day I do my makeup. I am a makeup content creator, so makeup is something that I use every single day. I need a cleanser or a face wash which is going to, clean my pores really well. So I think this one is a great option. I think I use 2-3 face washes from Innisfree and they are literally so good. Not recommended for dry skin. They make your skin a little bit dry, but if you have extremely oily skin or combination skin like me, you will love this product so much. So this is what the face wash looks like. It costs for rupees 650 and you get a good amount of product, like 150 grams of product you get. So a foaming face wash is going to be more, it is going to clean your face even more than a regular face wash, and also it is going to be very foamy at the same time. The next product that I have is a sunscreen and this is from Reequil. This is their Ultra Matte Dry Touch Sunscreen Gel. I heard so many good things about this particular sunscreen. I just want to show you guys the consistency of the product. So it does not look like a gel, but oh wow, it feels like a gel. I mean, it feels like a mousse. The texture is so different. I just want to see how it blends and it feels very velvety. I don't know what's the feeling. It feels very velvety, not like a gel. It feels different. I don't have a sunscreen like this. So yeah, no white cast at all, you can see, and my skin is looking pretty matte. Look at that. Yeah, it is very matte. Makeup will sit really well on top of this because of the texture of this product. Feels really good. Very excited to try this out. I will keep you guys updated. And yeah, this is the sunscreen and this contains SPF 50 PA++++, and that's really good. So I'm just going to show you guys some makeup products as well. So I purchased this Swiss Beauty Pro Eyelash Glue and this is their black version, which I am really excited to try. I use an eyelash glue, but that is actually from Miss Claire. I really love that one as well. If you are looking for a good eyelash glue, definitely try Miss Claire's one. It is really good. Now I think I'm gonna give this one a try. Wow. So this is what the eyelash glue looks like. How beautiful the packaging is, and this is what the applicator looks like. I'm obviously going to show you guys demo how it looks and everything. This is actually a black eyelash glue. Okay, so let's start with this one. I really want to try this out all over my face and see how it works. This is Rimmel London Kind and Free Moisturizing Skin Tint and this is their 201 Classic Beige. The shade, this particular shade Classic Beige, it's like sold out everywhere and I've seen people loving this particular skin tint, so it was really hard for me to get my hands on this shade Classic Beige. It was in stock on Nykaa. I was like, immediately have to purchase it. It costs for rupees 700 or something like that and you get 30 ml of product. So let's see how this works. By the way, before using the product, I really want to try out this makeup sponge, and yeah, this is a makeup sponge set. I purchased it because it comes in a container like this, but it's useless. Like, this is very cheap and it's not good, okay? But still I'm gonna use it, and this is from this brand, I think Majestique, and you get 3 set of beauty sponge which looks something like this, and you can see the shape. Wow, they feel very soft. The set was affordable, so that's why I purchased it, and it comes, I think it's for rupees 249, and you get 3 makeup sponge, and the sponge feels really good. By the way, this brand Majestique, I used their products before and I really loved it. That's why I thought of purchasing this makeup sponge set. Just give me 1 minute. I just purchased this product as well from Laneige, which I want to use before using this skin tint. So this is their cream skin refiner mist. This is not a new product for me. I used it before. I really loved it. It's expensive. That's why I never repurchased it. But finally, I have it with me. I really love this particular skin refiner mist, and a mist is really good. If you are a dry skin person, you will love this particular product. It is very lightweight, very moisturizing. One spray is enough for your entire face. I just love the hydration that this product gives me. So this is what the shade looks like. I think this is going to be a pretty good match for my skin. I'm just gonna take the product, and wow, yeah, the shade match is really good. I'm just gonna blend it with my fingers first because it's very lightweight. Feels so good, and the shade match, look at the shade match. It's very hydrating and gives you a natural coverage, like literally natural coverage. Even if you build up this product, this is still going to give you a natural coverage. It is so lightweight. Wow, I'm in love with this product. Honestly, it blends like a dream and it looks so good. Let me know if you guys want me to do my skin tint favorite video. By the way, I'm doing it already on my Instagram, where I'm reviewing my skin tints, my favorite skin tints. So I think I have to do episode 3 as well. I'm taking a little bit more just to see how it, just to see how I can build this product up. Really easy to blend with your fingers. You will never see me blending a foundation or a skin tint with my fingers. I don't know why. I just hate the feeling of it, and I just hate how it looks on my skin whenever I blend it with my fingers. But I don't know what's up with this one. It looks really good. Like, I'm even adding coverage with my fingers and it is still looking good. Okay, now I'm gonna take the makeup sponge. I'm gonna take the excess amount of product that I have, and I will just use it to blend everything really well, just so I don't have any harsh lines. Wow, this makeup sponge is working well and it feels really good at the same time. Like, this is not feeling cheap at all. Are you seeing this? Like, wow, this product, oh my god. And with the combination with this skin refiner mist, absolutely amazing. This is what my skin looks like. Now I'm just gonna go. I will apply some concealer. I will set my face with some powder because I don't have any new powder or concealer, and then I will be right back. So I just applied some concealer. I used my L'Oreal Infallible concealer and this powder from Mars. This is their Born to Bake loose setting powder. I used this one. I have a blush which is a really interesting viral blush from Pixi. This is their On the Glow blush, and I picked up the shade Ruby with me, which is the red one. I have seen people using this product so much all over the internet, and I was like, okay, I have to give it a try. So this is what the product looks like, and here you can see Ruby is written right over here. I'm just gonna open it. It also comes with a packaging like this. Here you have the product. This is what it looks like. I'm very scared to apply it like this on my cheeks right now. I think I don't know why, but it feels like it's gonna remove my makeup. So what I will do, I will use a brush to do it. So I'm just gonna take a random brush. This is, I think, from Amazon. So let's see how this works. Wow, this color is so beautiful. I was like, this is actually not removing my makeup, and it looks really good. I think you can go on like this if you are doing your no makeup look day makeup. With a full face of makeup, I think this is going to, it's raining outside. With a full face of makeup, I think it is going to take off your makeup if you swipe it like this. It applies really well, and you can see a glow this particular product is giving me. I have used Pixi On The Glow products before as well, not their blush. They have a On The Glow moisturizer, so I used it before, so I know that this is going to give you glow, and the color is really beautiful, so pretty. And I literally picked up this particular shade because I do have pink blush, coral blush, and I'm not a big fan of the color orange, so that's why I haven't picked up the coral one. But I was like, okay, this is a unique color which I don't have in my collection, so yeah. So I just applied some eyeliner and a little bit of brown eyeshadow. I also purchased this particular eyelash set from Pro Art. It's to their tools, like the brush they have, eyelash, they have literally very professional products. So they recently came up with a 3D fluffy silky lash. It's for 275 rupees. So these are like 3D eyelash. Feel very good, as you guys can see, and they look 3D at the same time. So I am of course going to cut it out and see if this fits my eye length. Of course it's bigger. And to apply my eyelash, I'm going to use this newly launched Swiss Beauty Eyelash Glue. Let's see how this will work. It's so easy to apply the glue. This is huge for my eyes. If you are into eyelash like this, you will love it, but I don't know how I feel about this. Very easy to apply, I'm not gonna lie. They look good, and of course, as I mentioned, they don't look natural, okay? This is what they look like. What do you guys think? Let me know. I'm not a big fan of eyelash like this, but I do think they're like not looking bad, but for my eyes they are extremely 3D. Okay, so this is what we have so far. Now I think I have two products left that I want to show you. So I purchased this particular palette thing from this brand called Pro Art, and this is a makeup palette, and it also comes with a spatula. It is a really good product if you are a makeup artist and if you want to mix few things, to mix eyeshadows, or maybe you want to use a cream product or foundation. This is going to be really good. And the pouch is genius because it comes with a compartment for the palette and also for the spatula. This is what the spatula looks like. You have different sections to put different products. It's from Coloressence, and this is their Dazzle Divine Nail Color, and I purchased the shade Amber. Now I purchased this for my toes, and this is what the shade, and this is what the shade looks like. It's like olive but shimmery kind of a shade, which I really love. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This was my Nykaa haul and also trying out some new product at the same time. What do you guys think? Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Loved the blush. It is really good. I loved this particular skin tint. My skin looks overall beautiful. The spatula is very high quality, and this is my favorite because I used it before. This also I used before. You guys know I love it. And the eyelash glue, I have to test it out more to see how it works. It works fine. Like, it was really easy for me to apply it, but still I have to test it out more to see how it works. And yeah, I also showed you guys the sunscreen and the face wash, but these again I have to test it out and I have to see how they work. So Let me know guys which one was your favorite product. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you on my next video. Bye.